Drill machine. The content is 1. What is drill machine? 2. Operation of drill machine. And 3. Types of drill machine. A drill machine is tool used to make holes or drive fasteners. It typically has a cutting or driving attachment known as a bit or driver. Secured in a chunk at one end, the motor rotates this bit, enabling it to penetrate materials such as wood, masonry, or metal. Drill machines come in various types including hand drills, cordless drills, and hammer drills, each designed for specific applications. They are essential in construction, woodworking, and metalworking for their precision and efficiency in creating holes and securing fasteners. Operation of drill machine. 1. Drilling. 2. Ringing. 3. Counter-boring. 4. Counter-sinking. And 5. Tapping.
Types of drill machine. 1. Hand drill or breast drill. A hand drill is a manually operated tool used for drilling holes in materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. It features a crank handle that user turns to rotate the drill bit, creating the precise holes without the need for electricity. Hand drills are particularly useful for detailed, controlled tasks and are ideal for situations where power tools are impractical. They are valued for their simplicity, portability, and the level of the control they provide over drilling process. Common uses include woodworking, crafting, and minor home repairs where delicate precision is necessary.
Drill press. Drill press is a stationary power-driven machine designed for drilling precise holes in various materials such as wood, metal, and plastic. It consists of a base, a column, and adjustable table, and the drill head that house motor and the drill bit. The drill press allows for vertically drilling with consistent accuracy, as the bit is guided straight down by the press mechanism. This machine is commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, and manufacturing for tasks that require exact hole placement and uniform depth. The stability and precision of a drill press make it an essential tool for achieving high-quality results in detailed projects.
Impact drill. An impact drill, also known as an impact driver, is a power tool used for driving screws and drilling into saw materials.
It operates by combining rotational force with quick, concussive bursts of impact, which makes it highly effective for driving screw into dense or knotty wood and other hard material. This dual action mechanism allows it to deliver higher torque than standard drill.
Impact drills are commonly used in construction, woodworking, and automotive work due to their efficiency and power.
Cordless drill. A cordless drill is a battery-powered tool used for drilling holes and drilling screws into various metals such as wood, metal, and plastic.
It features a rechargeable battery pack that allows for a greater mobility and convenience, as it doesn't require a power outlet. Cordless drills are equipped with adjustable torque settings and multiple speed options, making them versatile for different tasks. They are commonly used in construction, woodworking, and DIY projects due to their portability and ease of use.
The lack of a power cord makes them ideal for working in a tight space or areas without easily access to electrical outlets.
Hammer drill. A hammer drill is a power tool designed for drilling into hard materials like concrete, brick, and stone. It operates by combining rotational drilling motion with a hammering action, which delivers rapid, short hammer thrust pulverize the material while the drill bit into it. This dual action mechanism make it too much more effective than regular drill bits for masonry work. Hammer drill are commonly used in construction and renovation projects for tasks such as installing anchors and screws in concrete walls.
What is drill? Drill is a cutting tool. It is used to cut cylindrical hole on a workpiece.
Material of drill. Drill is made of HSS or high-speed steel. In case of material is hard, then we use carbide also.
Types of drill. According to structure, there are 3 types of drill. Flat drill, twist-floated drill, straight-floated drill.
Special kind of drill. Double fluid drill, multi-fluid drill, center drill, counter shank drill, counter boring drill, oil hole drill, spirit drill, shell drill, and step drill.
Here are some essential safety precautions to follow when using a drill machine.
First, wear personal protective equipment. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris, and use ear protection if the drill is loud. Gloves can help protect your hands, but ensure they don't get caught in the drill.
The second one, secure the workpiece. Use a vise or clamps to hold the material you're drilling. This prevents the workpiece from moving and reduces the risk of injury.
The third one, inspect the drill and bit. Check the drill and bit for any damage before use.
The fourth one, use the correct drill bit. Ensure you're using the right type and size of drill bit for the material you're working on.
The fifth one, maintain a stable stance. Stand by your feet shoulder width apart for balance. Following this precaution will help ensure your safety and this effectiveness of your work with a drill machine.